Hi, PG again here with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard the 2019 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage. I'm going to start at the back and show you the 350 horsepower Mercury Verado. Got the special white paint job on it. Looks great on this boat. Freshwater shower in the back. Also got a freshwater sink, freshwater shower in the front. Check out this big bench seat we have in the back. This boat's kind of the ultimate saltwater fishing ski. Of course, it's good for fresh too, but it'll do just about anything you want as far as water sports, any kind of fishing, even light offshore. One of my favorite features, and Boston Whaler actually won some awards on this seat, is the multiple angles you could put it at. It even lays all the way down flat. Nice storage inside, but we've also got a backrest that drops down. It serves a couple of purposes. You can actually use it for a leaning post for fishing in the shade here, and we've got a live well hidden away underneath. Super nice floor storage, lockable. This boat's also got a really nice head compartment on board. Check that out. Another freshwater shower inside there. This boat's designed to be comfortable for just about anybody of any height. If you like to stand up to drive, this is a great boat for that. We've got a bolster so you can still get some wind on you, or you can drop her down and look through the windshield if you like. Got the Mercury SmartCraft gauge, plenty of room for your custom electronics, and we can supply any brand of electronics you like. And we do custom rigging right here at our Houston location. Moving forward, you'll notice we have a nice door in case you're boating in the colder weather. You can close that off, keep the wind out. We've got a nice tanning area in the front, but each one of these cushions actually removes and allows you a big casting platform in the front. So you can do just about anything you want with this boat. And when you're using it for a casting deck, you've got nice coamings here to rest your shins again. So it's a great fishing boat. One of my favorite features is in the nose of the boat, and that's an electric windlass anchor. This boat's got just about anything you could want for any type of fishing, pleasure boating, dinner cruising, you name it. Come see us here at MarineMax in Houston. I'm PG. I'll be glad to help you.